So this is a paddock made for Ather 450X. Let me show you the measurements as many of my subscribers asked for the size. So this is around 40 millimeter, the width, the height is 40 millimeter. I have added a rubber bushings. I have stuck this rubber to the metal frame. So this is done by seeing the measurement of the 450X's suspension swing arm. So here is an option where you can use your paddock stand. So here is the grip. So that L shape will align here. Let me take this and show you. So this will align here. So this grips to the swing arm. Let me show you how do I put my paddock stand. Keep your vehicle straight. So make sure you keep the stand, lift your vehicle slowly, and that's it. And that's how you put your paddock stand. Make sure it doesn't engage with belt or the pulley. Unloading is so simple. Just hold your vehicle like this in the back, put it down. Simple. And this is how you use your paddock stand.